Counting with confidence. Learn cardinal numbers 1 to 10. Hello there! Are you ready to take the next step in your English learning journey? Today, we're going to be focusing on cardinal numbers, specifically numbers 1 to 10, and how to count objects in a set. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently count objects in English. Let's dive in. First things first, what are cardinal numbers? These are the numbers we use for counting or indicating quantity. Simple, right? In English, the cardinal numbers from 1 to 10 are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Important. Always remember these numbers and their correct order, as they're the foundation of counting in English. Now that we know our cardinal numbers, let's learn to count objects in a set. A set is simply a collection or group of objects. Imagine you have a set of apples. How would we count them? 1. If there's just one apple, we say, there is one apple. 2. If there are two apples, we say, there are two apples. 3. This pattern continues for all numbers above 1. The main point here is to understand the difference between singular, 1, and plural, 2 and above. For one object, we say, there is, and for two or more objects, we say, there are. Remember, when counting objects in a set, make sure to match the number with the right form of the object, singular or plural. It's time to put this into practice. Let's count some sets of objects. Look at a set of books. Count them one by one. There is one book, there are two books, there are three books, and so on. Repeat the process with different objects around you, like pens, cups, or trees. The more practice, the better. This practice helps solidify your understanding of counting objects in a set in English. There you have it. Now you're well on your way to mastering cardinal numbers and counting objects in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep counting the objects around you, and soon you'll be counting with ease in no time. Thank you for joining us on this English learning adventure. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next one.